National Identity Management Commission (NIMC) don go for running strike for government. National Identity Management Commission (NIMC) don go on wetin oyibo dey call running strike to government sake of say the necessary facilities to take register pipo and COVID matter dey worry dem no be small tin. Our tori pipo wey carry waka go dem headquarter for Benin City tok say the whole place don dabaru sake of say the place be like where animal dey stay. Why pipo dey rush go their office con dey necessary after Nigeria government give order say all those wey get phone make dem link their phone numbers with their NIN. According to the report wey our tori person Debbie Osazuwa gather from the workers, dem tok say pipo dey tok say dem dey collect money from dem to take give dem national ID card wey be say na free. The state union chairman for NIMC Edo chapter, Sunday Idubo, wey carry us round the office, beg government to come to their rescue because dem don turn corporate beggars as pipo wey come register wey get good mind dey help dem sometimes.
Currently, we are on work to rule because of the lack of welfare provision and other materials for our work. Currently, we are asked that we are told that we are now a special service provider, that we can even work on Saturdays and Sundays. But the COVID-19 material, which is the PPE, we're told that the World Bank, they have given it to the federal government as we speak. Thank God you saw everything just now. They have not given it to us. And when you come here every day, you see crowd, no social distancing. If you look at our staff now, all of us, we are having different face masks. It's not supposed to be like that. So what we are crying for the government to come to our aid, welfare. The computers, they are all outdated. They said the license has expired, so sometimes the computer, when it's working, we just off. Then the COVID-19 issue, the pandemic provision for all those PPE, they are not there. And we are endangering our staff. So we are saying that we cannot endanger our staff. For us to serve the people, we need a conducive atmosphere. We are ready to do the job, but create an enabling environment for us to do this job. When people come, we solicit for assistance for them to buy fuel. In fact, they have turned us to corporate beggars. If we are going now, we'll show you the two plants that are supposed to be working here, but they are not working for many years. We only have a makeshift generator there. So when they buy fuel for this generator, they say we are extorting the public. So we are saying that let the government come and finance it so that this issue of extortion should stop.
The unit vice chairman Adeleke Isoke join putman say make government come to their rescue sake of say some of their staff dey affected with COVID-19 and they no dey collect money from anybody to take give them national ID card, and the only reason when you go take pay na when you get wahala like address and date of birth, and na for bank they pay the money, not be for their office.
We are fighting for our welfare. We need to get the right things in place. You cannot push us into the crowd and not give us protection. Some of our colleagues already are infected with COVID, and nobody is taking care of that. The box you saw there was donated by somebody who came in here to register. Out of, the good nature of that person, he had to provide that for us. The office don't care about the welfare of staff, and that is a painful thing. You push people out without informing the workers you are working with that this is the situation you are going to face. We came to work suddenly one day and we saw lots of people at the gates. What is happening? That the NIN has been tied to their same card registration. And that's how we started this whole thing. The list or the earliest I have closed, and many of us have closed, is 7:30. Government says we should close at 4:35. In the era of COVID, you told us that all of us in the different units, we should go and meet where we are working. Like I should go and meet the office where I am stationed to beg them to equip me with COVID whatever. It's unheard of. This is the time for us to tell them that we are no longer fools. We are at work, as you can see, all of us, but we are not working. Until the place is put right for everybody to work and tell us how to do our work, we will do it.
Some persons wey our tori pipo meet for outside talk how e dey do dem for body sake of say dey come from far places just to come register, na dey come hear say dey don go on strike sake of the bad things wey dey shele for here.
I'm feeling bad because I straight from where I'm working, came from here. I'm feeling bad that I come and meet the workers and in strike because of I don't know what's happened. The government need to consider the workers because why? They are fighting for their right.
Make una sabi say na TMC TV na im carry dis ogbonge informate come sama una. My name na Innocent Eikwemen from Benin.